Hello darkness, my old friend. It's load shedding time again, and we lighting as in days of old, with candles and our food is getting cold, because Eskom has sold all our coal, bankrupt and all. Bring on the sound of darkness in looking to power our home. Solar power generator woes, and in the darkness of our street lamps we come home feeling cold and damp. When our eyes adjust to the darkness of the night, oh what a sight. Listen to the sound of darkness. And in the late of night I saw 10,000 torches, must be more. People looting say they're not stealing, people tired that they're not listening, people looking for an answer to their prayers. This year they'll dare change the sound of darkness. Who said I don't you know, corruption like a cancer grows. Hear these words of hope I have for you. The status quo must not continue, 'cause his words will never come back void, but bring light to the sound of darkness. And his people bow and pray for a godly Gum Beach day. And in 2019 you'll see the power and glory of his victory. See the signs of the coming change, and the people vote ACDP, and then we'll see the light and the sound of darkness.